Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a GetResponse account for free. First, we need to go to the GetResponse website. I will leave the link to the website in the description below. Now on the website, click on this button that says Sign Up Free. After that, we will be taken to this page where we can sign up. First, enter your name, email, and choose a password. Then click Create Account. Great. Now that we have created the account, the next step is to confirm our email to activate the account. This is done by clicking on the activation link that is sent to you on your registered email. All you have to do is go to your inbox, find the email sent to you by GetResponse, and click Activate My Account. Now that the account is activated, to start using your account, all you have to do is fill out this small form. Here you can type your first and last name, your country, address, zip or postal code, your city, state or region, and finally your mobile phone number. Then click Save and Continue. And that's it. Now you have a free forever account on GetResponse that can be used for up to 500 contacts on your email list. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell to get notified with every new video. And if you have any questions, please leave your question in a comment below the video, and I will try my best to answer all of your questions. For more tutorials, check out the playlist with the link in the description below for step-by-step guides on how to use GetResponse. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.